As I reflected on your paper activity, I remembered an event that was an eye-opener for me in the role of writing. I want to tell you of a brief incident where I was told by my boss I was a sloppy writer, and that was a gift. You know theoretically that the writing process is very complicated. Here you can see in the chart about all the things you do before you write. That you write, you revise, you rewrite, you proofread, you rewrite, you proofread, you revise, you write, and finally you publish it. Well, I think in my early days, I was just not willing to spend that time, and I learned my lesson. I wanted to get a shortcut, take a shortcut by skipping all the revision and revising and reading, blah, 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 in order to get a document ready for my boss. You may find you're in a situation like I found myself where I was writing a document for my boss. He came up, Larry, he came up, put the document on my desk and said, "Did you write this?" And I said, "Yes, sir." He said, "I had to go and correct it. Look at all the edits. Do you expect me to spend my time doing your job?" "No, sir." I learned my lesson. I was a sloppy writer. You do not, in the world of work, in today's competitive world, appear as a sloppy writer. So this activity is giving you opportunities to get yourself in the mindset of revision, revising, and discussing the work with your colleagues. Don't make my mistake.